This here is the water bypass valve, or the water valve for the Sinotruck HOWO series, or the CNHTC trucks. So it majorly fits Sinotruck HOWO WG16 engine, or the Euro 2 and the Euro 3 series of, I think, the Sinotrucks. It steers warm water from the steering gear. Basically, that's the functionality of this product. And it gets damaged a lot, as is seen in water, electric components that work hand in hand with water. Either gets fried, either the components on the inside get damaged. There are different ways that this part or this component should need servicing over time. So the original OEM number is WG1642840025 or /2. Those are two of the different OEM numbers. Delivery, some people ask about delivery, and the delivery in Africa is definitely bikes. You can come to the shop. I've been asked question on map location. Our map location is definitely seen. So the water valve is available in stock and in plenty. If you have issues with your HOWO Sinotruck, you're welcome to purchase it. I don't know exactly what to say about it. I think the name explains itself, but I can have a closer look. Can do a closer look on it. So it has two pipes. They're definitely the inlet and the exhaust. Acts as the inlet and the exhaust of the valve. Original OEM numbers at the back. There's a CNHTC logo somewhere at the center here. Here it is. So as you can see at the center there's a CNHTC brand logo showing genuinity of the product. These, together with the barcode at the back, will tell you that you've got quality products from your supplier or your dealer. The mounting holes here at the back and the mounting brackets here. It's a very tiny and hefty product. Available for purchase at Sinotruck. Welcome.